Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by using the original Redmi charger and cable because fast charging relies on matching charger protocol. Once plugged into a stable wall outlet, connect the phone. Plugging the charger first reduces sparks. Make sure you remove thick cases and place the phone on a cool, flat surface. This helps thermal sensors allow higher current. If you want fewer interruptions, enable airplane mode or do not disturb. Look for the fast charge icon or wattage readout to confirm the phone entered fast charging mode. You tap into settings to ensure software permits fast charging. Once in battery and performance, verify the fast charging toggle is enabled because some phones disable it under battery saver. If you have developer options active, check USB configuration and set it to charging rather than MTP or file transfer. That ensures the port negotiates correctly. Make sure battery saver is off and close heavy background apps so the phone draws full power. If the device heats up, the system may temporarily throttle charging, so manage load accordingly. You finish by monitoring the charge curve and unplugging when you reach your target. Many keep it at 80% for longevity, while others go to full. If fast charging does not engage, swap in a different original Xiaomi charger and cable to isolate faulty accessories. Restart the phone and inspect the USB-C port for lint or corrosion. A dirty or damaged port can prevent proper handshake. Finally, make sure system updates are applied. If problems persist after these steps, contact support or authorized service for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.